Welcome to another how-to video. Best way to use coins and squad busters. Hey everyone, today our topic is all about your best ways to use coins and squad busters. For me, the best way to use coins and squad busters is buying chess tickets to get more rewards. As you can see, buying characters is not recommended since you can get a character through the chess. The best way is to get into the top 5 to get more chess rewards. Gold can be spent too if you experience loss after you win streak, which is it will ask you to use a gold to prevent it, which is not recommended too. Well, you just have to get good at squad busters. Even if you did not reach top 1, at least you reach any place on the top 5 to get more rewards. I hope you players get enlightened from this topic. Enjoy playing! That's it for this tutorial. For more how-to videos, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if this video has helped you. And don't forget to share your comments or suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for tuning in and we'll see you next time.